Today's story I'm going to read to you is called Off We Go, a Bear and Mole story. Bear picked books off the shelf. He put them in a bag. Ready, Mole? Asked Bear. Bear, I need some help, replied Mole. Mole grinned. These need to come off. I'm writing today, he declared. They removed. Bear checked. Mole tugged. They hoisted. Mole packed. Mole snapped. At last, Mole was ready. Mole kicked off. Bear pushed. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Crash. Mole sobbed. I quit. I think you can, encouraged Bear. You do? Mole took a deep breath and wiped his eyes. Ready? Off we go. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Go, 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 shouted Bear. Faster, 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 said Mole. Bump, bump, bump. Whoa, whoa, exhaled Mole. Look out, shouted Bear. Phew. Oh dear, Bear grimaced. Flap, flap, flap. Look out, called Bear. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Oh no, Bear sighed. I did it, hollered Mole. You certainly did, said Bear with a smile. The end.